Chad from CWC Technologies, where we bring you all the latest gadgets, news, and reviews. And today I wanted to do a speed test with the brand new iPhone XS Max versus the brand new Galaxy Note 9. So the first thing we're going to do here is let's go ahead and power off these units. We'll do a full and complete power up test, see which one can power up the fastest. Now, as you know, on the iPhone XS Max, you need to hold down the power and the volume up button. For any of you new iPhone users, make sure you do it that way. All right, so let's go ahead and do our first test. We're going to do a power on test. So we'll hold the buttons down in 3, 2, 1. There's the Samsung, and there goes the Apple. So the Apple takes a little bit longer when you're holding the button down for it to actually show the logo. Pretty close. You guys be the judge of which one was faster on that. Now what we're going to do on the Samsung here, just to make sure that it's fully set and it's to the fastest ability that it can, we're going to go into performance mode. As you can see, there's nothing running in the background besides the settings, which we'll close. We're going to go to performance mode here, and we're going to make sure it's set to this high performance. Apply it. This sets the phone to the fastest speed that it can get to, and we'll go ahead and make sure that all applications are closed out. Same thing over there on the iPhone X, all the applications are closed out. What we'll do is we're going to go ahead and start this test out with the smaller, faster loading apps and move our way into some heavier apps. So let's get into it. So let's start with Facebook. Make sure you guys click that thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Also check out, I have an iPhone XS Max versus an iPhone X video, and I'll leave a link up here for you. So let's get into it. Facebook in 3, 2, 1. You can see that loaded up faster on the Note 9. Let's go into Twitter in 3, 2, 1. Again, much faster over here on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Let's go into Instagram in 3, 2, 1. Faster again over here. The Note 9 is just crushing this iPhone XS Max. Let's go into YouTube in 3, 2, 1. Faster again. Man, just taking it home. Let's test out the cameras in 3, 2, 1. That one's pretty close. You guys be the judge on that one. Let's try Fortnite out, and these are going to be some heavier applications, so these will take longer to load, but this will give you a real world use case of heavier apps. So here we go with Fortnite in 3, 2, 1. You can see there that the Apple, the iPhone XS Max just started loading it right away, where the Note 9's Android version had a little bit of a delay before it started loading the app. Flip the screen just so it looks the same. Now, if you pre-ordered the Note 9, you can get your cool Galaxy skin if you guys are into that. You'll see that pop up right there. Looks like the iPhone XS Max loaded first. Well, quite a bit faster than the Note 9. I'm surprised by that, since the Note 9 was just crushing the iPhone XS Max on all the other applications. And there it goes. So there you have it. Now let's see Temple Run 2. We're going to test that in 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was close, but it looked like the iPhone 10 was the iPhone 10s Max was the winner on that one. Just by a little bit though. It was really close. Let's try the CSR Racing 2 in 3, 2, 1. Now, if there's any videos you guys want to see, make sure you leave a link down below and I'll get to those. Any games you'd like to see played on any of these systems. Oh, that was close. Pretty close right there. You guys will have to be the judge on that. I think the iPhone was just a little bit faster on that, but that was the closest one we've seen so far with the bigger apps. And let's try one more. Let's launch Asphalt 9 in 3, 2, 1. You can see how beautiful and gorgeous both of these displays are. That one was so close too. You guys will have to be the judge on that. And that's going to do it for this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, click that thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.